Today, we will present one of the most popular types of natural stone, namely marble, how it forms, its properties, the colors found in nature, and where it is recommended to install it. Without wasting time, let's begin. Marble is a metamorphic rock, and its formation is determined by changes in another rock under the influence of very high temperatures or pressures, or through chemical processes. Exposure to extreme conditions alters the chemical composition of the original rock. There are two types of metamorphic rocks: foliated, which splits into layers such as slate, and non-foliated, marble, quartzite. Marble originates from limestone or dolomite, and therefore, it contains calcium carbonate in its composition. Its properties are closely related to its composition. It has a hardness level of 3 to 4 on most scale from 1 to 10. Mechanical resistance is average, and water absorption is low for most varieties. It withstands high temperatures but dislikes thermal shocks. It resists wear well indoors, but in untreated exterior cladding, its appearance may change due to environmental factors. It is sensitive to acids of any kind: food agents, acid rain, commercial detergents. It has medium abrasion resistance, and depending on the installation location and application method, ranges from average to very good in environmental conditions. The appearance and color determine the magic of marble cladding. The pure calcium carbonate content, combined with various minerals, generates a wide range of colors. Shades of white, gray, cream, black, red, green, brown, associated with a variety of veins, captivate a uniqueness and add a touch of majesty, characteristic of marble. Destination: it is recommended for large-scale residential projects. Although it can be successfully used in indoor arrangements, including pavements for traffic, marble has been destined for monumental construction since ancient times, with grandeur and solemnity being its main assets. Without minimizing the advantages of special marble pieces, countertops, stairs, sills, baseboards, or ventilated facades or interior cladding, it is worth mentioning that no natural stone arrangement takes your breath away like a symmetrical book match arrangement of marble slabs. Among the many marble monuments and constructions worldwide, we mention only a few: the Taj Mahal in India, the Parthenon in Athens, and St. Peter's Basilica in the Vatican. Some of the greatest sculptures are made from marble, such as Michelangelo's David, Pieta, and Moses, or the Venus de Milo attributed to Alexandros of Antioch. Marble is the natural choice for those who understand and appreciate the beauty and durability of materials directly sourced from nature. This stone is known for its unlimited possibilities of use, both outdoors and indoors, on vertical or horizontal surfaces, and for cladding furniture pieces. PIATRAONLINE, generating inspiration.